So, fabric planning is out. You're really excited. You want to go ahead and get started. So, let's go. I have a fabric workspace. It's on trial. Let's go click on that. All items, plan. And I see the Lumel planning, but there is no item. So, what we got to do is jump to the tenant settings. If you're not one, which you are more than not likely not to be, go find your friend in IT to turn this on. Here we have that. And obviously, I'm turning this on for my organization, but in your situation, as you're trying, might be worth to specific user groups to get access so the testing is controlled. And as you can tell, it's in preview. I'll go ahead and turn it on. So once I have turned that on, I head back. Let's do a quick refresh. We'll click on new items, all items. Look at that. Plan has popped up. But if I search for it now, as you notice, I have Fabric Plan. And as you can tell, this is Microsoft Native workload. I'll go ahead and create that. And let's go ahead and get started with our Plan 1. I guess this is me going back full circle. As you can tell, to get started, we got our trusty semantic model and good old Excel. And if you look at here, it's called Sheet. I wonder where that comes from. I guess that's a nod to Excel. But just a quick overview, if you notice within Plan, there are three artifacts that we can create. We can create a planning, power table, and intelligence. Well, you gotta wait as we go test this out. So stay tuned for more to come around fabric planning, fabric IQ. I guess between fabric planning and data agents, I'm all into fabric IQ. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Let me know how your experiment's going.